What makes AR18 different? I'd say it's expertise, experience. We think quite heavily about sustainability, and we've got state-of-the-art equipment. But also we're a tight-knit team. We work great together. We've got a lot of really good guys who've got years of experience with the joinery and the materials that we use. We've got a fantastic paint department who can do wild finishes, and the CNC department, they can machine the weirdest and most wonderful things out of a single block of material. The fact that we can then bring that all together across a whole project, not only engineer it structurally, build it out of steel and clad it in Corian, we can also get it to a point where we're shipping it halfway around the world, and the guys who built it, they would be the guys that would be sent over to actually install it. A lot of our clients work to very tight lead times, and if we've got full control over the manufacturing in-house, we can turn things around very quickly and be very reactive to our clients' urgent needs. We are very environmentally aware, and we've got solar panels that are mounted onto the roof, which provide us with our electricity power, and we utilise a biomass system that basically takes all of the extraction out of our machines, and we can burn the offcuts and extraction dust, which generates our heat for our building. We do quite a bit of construction work, so we work with main contractors who are redeveloping large office space, and we would come in and provide all the joinery elements for that. So that could be anything from kitchens to counters, banquet seats. We've done huge solid surface reception desks. We also do a lot of airport displays. So we get some weird and wonderful briefs from drinks and confectionery companies who want a stand or space or wall bay that really needs to stand out when it's competing with a lot of other similar spaces within an airport. We also do a lot of cut-to-order jobs, so people who just want stuff CNC machines out, we can provide that, and we also do a lot of modular systems. Yes, we're a one-stop shop, but we don't compromise on any part of the process. We've got a great team behind us and all the machinery, loads of experience, so if you want to pick up the phone with any inquiries that you might have, give us a call and we'd be happy to help.